Welcome to Rainbow Delight, and today I'm going to show you how to make a bunny. The reason I got these specific pieces because in our school, because of half-term, they gave us pieces to make a dragon, but I thought it'd be far more interesting if I maybe use those pieces to make different animals. So today I'm going to show you how to make a rabbit. First of all, we have one of these 2x3 thingies. Next, we have these 2x2 thingies. Or 1x2, I think. A upward tiny thing. I don't know why I keep on saying thing. And this thingy that is basically the opposite of this thingy. These things that you can connect stuff to, such as these thingies, eyes. Don't know why I keep saying thingies. These you attach to these claws, so they're a bit like brother and sister. And finally, this thingy is like the only proper brick apart from these and these. Fun fact, random fact. Okay, first you take these and put one of this like that. Okay, are you following? Then you take one of these and put it like that. You take this, put it here.
Sorry, I don't know that.
That's just Alexa talking. Then you take this and you put it like that. You take this, put it like this. Then you take this. This is going to be part of the head. Then you take these two, and you put the eyes on them. The tricky part for me about the eyes is like you can't actually see which way they're facing because they're both from separate sides. You take these and make it like that. And finally, I'm pretty sure you guessed this part, you put these to make the ears. This is a sad bunny. This is a happy bunny. I'm not sure what this sign means. And also, did you know that if it's like this is a rabbit, and if it's truly on top like this is a hare. So really, I should go back and call it, this is a video on how to make a hare. No, which hare is it? But not sure. Anyway, this is the end of my video. And please tell me if you know what this sign is. Bye.